Hello and welcome to the best online tutorial channel. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix the Bosch washing machine error code. All right, so let's get into it. Basically, we are looking at the E18 error code for today's tutorial. And this simply means, or the E18 simply means, your washing machine isn't draining water properly within the program time. This stops the cycle to prevent issues, and you might notice water left in the drum. What are the common causes of this? One of the few causes, or one of the many causes, is a clogged drain pump filter from lint, coins, or debris. Another would be kinked or blocked drain hose, and also the debris stuck in the drain pump. If you have debris in your filter, it's going to lead to these issues. And rarely a faulty pump or hose position too low. So the position of your pump or hose actually affects your washing machine. Now, what is a fix you can try? So the most common fix is cleaning the drain pump filter. So place towels and a shallow pan underneath, and open the bottom front panel. Drain any water using the small emergency hose if present. Then unscrew the filter cap counterclockwise. Unscrew the filter cap counterclockwise, and then remove debris, rinse the filter, clean, and reinstall it. So you're going to be reinstalling this back here once you've cleaned it up. Next, you can also check the drain hose at the back for kinks or blockages and then straighten it. So if your hose is bent in this manner, please try to straighten it out and ensure it's not inserted too deeply into the drain pipe. The hose standpipe should be at least 60 to 100 centimeters high. Just make sure everything is connected the way it's meant to be. And then once you're done, close everything up, plug the machine if it's unplugged, and then run a short drain or rinse cycle to test if the E18 error clears. Now, if it doesn't clear, you could simply contact a technician. So if the error returns, the drain pump may be faulty. So contact Bosch support or a certified technician. That's it. Cleaning the filter fixes most E18 errors. Thanks for watching. If this helped, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.